Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I am back with another unboxing, and this time it is Beyonce's latest drop from her Ivy Park collection. I've really been a fan of all the pieces she's been releasing in the past year, and I couldn't resist and indulge in a few more with this current drop. It's very different to the previous one, so I'm very excited to unleash all the items I purchased, give you guys my review and let you know my take on this collection. Now, for the last few weeks, Beyonce has been teasing us on her Instagram with all these promotional pictures for this latest collection. And there's an overall ski wear theme, like a winter theme. So first up, I'm going to start with what I'm wearing right now. It is this Ivy Park basic t-shirt, one of the more minimal staples in this current collection. And it is a gender neutral piece. It was advised on the Adidas Ivy Park website that for gender neutral items, men could buy the size that they would normally go for, whereas for women it was recommended that be sized down. So I got this in an extra small, and I think this was the perfect fit for me. Now second, I'm going to start with the piece that, let's be honest, caught the attention of all of us when Beyonce posted herself wearing them. It is these. These are a pair of leggings. They are in a really hot pink, and they have like this Ivy Park monogram print all over. I love that gorgeous like high-rise hip stitch detail, and just trying to feel the stretch factor is, it's not that stretchy when I pull it at the waist, but I'm going to try these on and see. Hopefully they give me some stretch. I love the way these fit. Trying these on, they're really comfortable, really stretchy and forgiving. So they glided over my hips and my waist really easily, luckily. So I was a bit worried before just pulling at the waistband. It didn't seem to give much stretch, but no, trying these on, it's quite the opposite. And I bought these in size small, perfectly suitable for working out, if that's what you want to wear them for, or just lounging around the house. I think you'd be comfortable either way. Next, I bought another different colourway. It's just an accessory this time, a bucket hat. Now, I first saw Hailey Bieber wearing this. She was out and about and she had this on with like a casual ensemble, and I was like, where the hell's that from? I didn't see this in any of the promotional pictures for Ivy Park, but I seen her walking around on the streets. I just love this brown colourway and the monogram Ivy Park. It's been designed in such a way that it's not so obvious that it's Ivy Park. It could kind of be any type of design, which I actually like. I prefer that. Sometimes you don't want it to be so obvious with the logos and brands are wearing, for me personally anyway, so that drew me to the piece. Looking close, it does have the Adidas details at the front, and I don't know, it has shirring lining. I'm not sure if it's reversible. It looks like it is. I'm going to just pop it out so you guys can see. Is this reversible? Yes, it is. You can tell because it has Ivy Park stitching in the middle. So I'm guessing that's reversible, even though it does have the tag there, but what do you guys think? This is reversible, right? I just love the brown, like I think it really suits my skin tone. I think it'd be really flattering. Next up is a jacket, a gender neutral item once again. Here it is. So this is a denim shearling jacket. It matches the hat, and you can see that brown Adidas detail towards the chest. And I got this in a size small, so I'll try this on and let you guys know my thoughts. It actually fits perfect. It has an oversized style, but it's not drowning me, and it is the right dimensions. And it has, you can see some shearling lining here. I don't think this is reversible, I'll check, but I don't think so. So it's just to provide some nice insulation. You try this on. Yeah, so it's for anyone who really likes that tomboy boyfriend style or jacket style of outerwear. So get a nice little matching ensemble there. This is a brown high-rise bodysuit. It has shoulder pads, very pronounced shoulder pads, and it is all in one colour with the three stripe details you can see, just blending in so beautifully with the rest of the design. I'm drawn particularly to the minimal pieces when it comes to Ivy Park. I think they have got some really nice designs there with really good quality, and immediately I could see how I could incorporate this into my wardrobe. You know, once we're all allowed out eventually, I may be able to incorporate into not just casual ensembles, but nice looks for going out for dinner and, you know, seeing friends. I can't wait to rock this, hopefully sometime soon. Taking a break from brown, I have another different colourway to show you. It is a pair of cargo pants. They've titled it in a shirling style. It's basically just shirling covered jogging bottoms, and I bought this because it just looks so weird. I've never seen anything like that. Plus it looked really warm and comfy, which is what you want when you're lounging about in the house in winter. And I don't know if there's a 3-stripe detail. I mean, there must be, because it's Adidas. And I don't know, let's see. Oh yes, if you look hard enough, you'll notice it on the side. So it's in white. Again, I love that detail where the 3 stripes are all the same colour as the fabric of the clothes. These strike me as, like, you know, ski pants as well. I mean, that is a big theme in this current collection, ski wear. I think there's a shirling hat to match with these trousers. They are very, very oversized, I will say that, so be careful, bear in mind you may need to size down. If you're women, this is another gender neutral piece. I'm not sure if I'll keep this just because I am not going on a ski trip anytime soon, and it is going to be spring in the UK in the next few days, and the weather may become milder, so it might not be as necessary for me to own such a snug pair of cargo trousers, but I do really like the design. I think it's very, very fashion forward. We're going to end on my favourite colourway that was presented in this collection. It is another brown piece, and this is matching the denim jacket and the bucket hat I showed you all. It is a skirt. Now this is a A-line mini skirt in denim, and as you can see here, it's like a brown, identical to the jacket with that monogram print I love, and the 3-stripe detail to the side. They've definitely thought of wider hipped girls in mind when designing this, which I appreciate. It's done up with poppers along the side all the way down, and as I mentioned before, that skirt is part of the matching ensemble with the jacket and the hat, and there's, I think, a pair of trousers as well, I believe, in the same monogram print in brown. So if you want to match it in that way, you can. The option is there for you. I love the fact that these collections are really diverse. There's a lot of colours to choose from. The size range is pretty big, and it's gender neutral, so there's no exclusions when it comes to Ivy Park, which is always a good thing. I think my favourite out of all the items I bought, no doubt this t-shirt. I just love its simplicity. It's timeless. I really like the bucket hat. I think that's such a cool accessory. If you don't want to invest in a lot of the items, some of which are quite pricey, then I think the bucket hat is definitely reasonable. I also love the fact that they're experimenting with pieces. So, for instance, the shirling cargo pants is something I've not really seen before. So I love the fact they're pushing the boundaries with that. Overall, really happy with this collection. I have no idea what Beyonce is going to do next, if she has anything else planned in terms of Ivy Park and Adidas. I'd love to know what you guys think of the pieces I've shown you. Which ones do you think I should keep? Which ones do you think maybe I should return? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notifications, because I will be back with another video very, very soon.